How to balance out sourness of lemon juice, specifically in a mayonnaise. I've just made some mayonnaise, and it's turned out fine, texture-wise. However, I used too much lemon juice when I made it. What are the possible ways to balance this out? Mellowing the zing. It's not terribly overmuch, but it could definitely stand for a bit less. Recipe used: 1 egg yolk, 1.5 deciliters oil juice from 1/3 lemon, salt and pepper. Can I go with some honey, or will this simply make it disgusting? I realize this wouldn't neutralize the sourness, but simply mask it. Any ideas? Smiley face.
To balance acidity, add sugar. It's how most mayonnaise manages to be acidic enough to prevent bacteria growth, pH 4.6 or lower, while still having a balanced and edible flavor. You might get an edible result with honey, but sugar is more of a neutral flavor, so I would use that first. Using a jigger of Dijon mustard is not beyond the pale, as well. Might help hide the acid, to a lesser extent. The last time I made lemon chicken it turned out too sour, so I added a bit of baking soda and stirred until the fizz was gone. I tested and added a bit more. It was perfect. Very lemony but not sour. I heard adding too much baking soda can leave a weird taste, but I guess I didn't add enough to have that problem. Just my 2 cents, good luck.